Hello guys, this is Eleftheria Barbagianni from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you're well. In today's video, I have a couple of tips for Twitter for growth and getting new followers. I'm using this strategy for a couple of months now and it's really working. I get a lot of traffic from Twitter and also I get followers from Twitter straight away and retweets. First of all, as you can see here, you go to your main profile on Twitter and you go to more and you can see here list. Number one is very important for you to join list or create your own list or accept invitations on any list that have been sent to you in order to grow your channel. I have been following and accepting invitations from a couple of groups and lists that have been added to, and I really get more traffic and get a lot of retweets since I started to engaging. This is very important, and of course here you can check and see what list you're on and if you want to remove yourself from a list, or you can add into your, you can add yourself to other lists, or you can create your own list. It's important, especially now that Twitter has changed a lot. It's easy for you to, navigate and learn more from how to grow your Twitter, because we have also the communities. That's another tip. Communities are important also for you to engage and get traffic and leave your advice and your expertise on what you do, and also interact with other people on Twitter, from business owners, authors, or bloggers. For example, for me, I get involved in a lot of blogging communities, and also other communities that I'm interested in, like the positivity vibes, or WordPress, or Twitter tech. There's a lot of communities you can actually get involved. It's really going to help you. I've got like over 500 subscribers and a lot of followers during my, interacting with the communities. So you really need to have a strategy on sit down and spend a day and find out what community you want to follow or get involved with. And something is really working because you interact with other people. Make sure you follow the rules and you will get results, because it's important for you to get traffic from Twitter. And again, make sure your content is really relevant. So this is another tip for Twitter content. Make sure what you tweet is relevant to what your audience like. You will see what people that retweet from my profile, they're interested in my YouTube videos, they're interested on my marketing strategies advice. So you can see what people are retweeting, so you know what your audience want and you can actually create content. But it's important for you to stand out on Twitter by creating very good quality content, because it's important to know that your content from your blog post or everything or what you tweet is important to add value, from a small survey, something that it will be solving a problem. That's number 3. So your content. Then number 4, what I can suggest is when you actually tweet it back, make sure you do not have the @ symbol as like here. Like, make sure when you tweet in, just tweet when, reply to the tweet if, for example, somebody is telling you something on below your Twitter, you can reply when you have to reply. Be honest and ethical, and interact with people the nice way, not just like because somebody writes something and it's interesting on your tweet or ask a question. So if you know what I mean. So the other thing is not to forget to have, a plan or on what you are going to tweet for the next 5 to 6 months to grow and get traffic from Twitter. And also don't forget to check your traffic to make sure you monitoring. This is also important. And also the other thing that will be good, scheduling. For example, you can add a professional scheduler like Buffer or whatever you use for your social media to schedule your tweets. But also you can do it manually, whatever is working for you. Or you can go for something that is official partner of Twitter. Because remember, there are rules again. From my point of view, sometimes I do get followers. The majority of the followers I do follow back. And not always, but I do follow back. So, because people are following us because they want to say hello, or they want to say, I like what you tweet, I want to follow you, I want to build some relationship, and we have similar interest in businesses, to grow businesses. So make sure you interact with the person, say thank you. I do it because I'm happy and people send me messages, and of course I help them grow the businesses, and they're happy on what I tweet, and get retweets, and I retweet the tweets as well. So those are a couple of Twitter tips for this year. And don't forget that we are preparing for the new season, new year, to grow on Twitter because it's free. It's really, really important, and it's easy. There is a lot of, feed on Twitter nowadays that you can grow easily your following, and you can grow traffic from Twitter in the next month or so. So don't forget to like this video, ask me any question you want below, subscribe to my channel because I publish videos every Thursday, and I wish you well.